Well, Merry Christmas!
Hello from Hollywood Studios!
We are over here finally we get a chance to come to Hollywood Studios. We've been here every other week, so it's been kind of crazy. But if you're new here, hello, hi, and
welcome.
Yeah. It is starting to rain because actually the cold front that's supposed to hit us on Christmas Eve is already hitting.
I know, it's supposed to be like 40 degrees, 30, something like that.
It's supposed to be 29 in Orlando. That's crazy.
We'll try to show you what we can. It's like, it's cloudy, so it looks really cool and the lights are on.
Yeah.
So it's like a good effect going from here until nighttime.
Yeah, for sure. But guys, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, don't forget to like and comment, and enjoy. Quack, quack, Disney duck. Actually, you know, it's funny because when Amber started to come back to work after the pandemic, the ducks were actually following him around and snapping at him. It was pretty funny.
Getting fed.
If you see over there at the dinosaur, there's a red ornament. It says 50 on it.
It's not. It ends in 3 months. Can you believe that?
I know.
It's already been a year and a half.
But I always like coming here. I like it.
I like the retro decorations here. Oh,
Agreed.
It's so cool.
You know.
And look at the umbrellas. It looks like Christmas trees.
What? Oh, that's so cool. That's clever. All right.
More over here. Look.
That's really cool. But we're gonna put you guys away for a minute. We're gonna go get something to eat. Probably bring you out then. Oh, that reindeer. Hold on. I hope the camera doesn't get ruined because it's raining. Look. Oh my god, that's so cool. That is really neat. I like it. I like it a lot.
Oh no, you can't see it. It's on the other side of the dino's mouth.
Yeah. But here it is. Alright, we're gonna put you guys away. So we decided to go to Pizza Rizzo's and they had a sugar cookie that's melted with snowman. Really, really cute. Amber's like, yay. And then there are pizzas here. And then they have a frozen hot chocolate. Looks really good. I'm excited. Are you excited? Are you upset they don't have your hot chocolate cookie? She's like, that was so good. She ate mine last time because I didn't like it. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. Alright, let's bon appetit. So somebody left a bag and we had told somebody about it, and as a reward they gave us a cupcake, and that's not why we told her. And not only did she bring one back, she brought a second one back. Amber. I know we haven't even had the cookie, but since I have you guys out, this isn't horrible. Get the dirty plate out of the way. But it has like infused like marshmallow in it. I know there's marshmallows on top. Yeah, probably. I think they probably mixed, like Amber was saying, marshmallow fluff in it. It's sometimes some sips are like overwhelming marshmallow, and others is chocolate, but it's not horrible. So we still had to partake in the cookie. If it focus, look at him.
I'm melting. I'm melting.
Sorry, I'm not supposed to play with the food. And then we'll have to try that out too. You know what's really cool? We're being serenaded by Bean. I miss him.
That's what you said before too.
I know, but it wasn't on camera. Can we just first reflect on how badass Fantasmic was?
It was so freaking good. I highly recommend it.
Yeah.
So good.
On behalf of Amber's 1/8-ness, thank you for taking out the Savages portion of Fantasmic. That was
With
awesome.
Pocahontas, like it's not better, but it's so cool.
It's Aladdin this time.
They have Aladdin, you have Elsa. Shh, we're over it. You know they already see it.
I know. So our next video is going to be Fantasmic, the full show.
The full, in like the first row.
Yeah.
Right in the middle.
Right. But we're on our way to go ride Mickey and Minnie's. We had to fight the crowd, so we're going to ride that real quick, and then we'll probably say goodnight because I think it's almost time to close. So in case you couldn't wait till 2023, they already have some merch out. They have some cool stuff. They got a Mickey with a little pennant. It's pretty cool. And then, what is that? Oh, it's a little necklace thing. Glow lantern. And then they have the soap with the Mickey, which Amber's like, we need this for our house. And then you have a pennant pillow, and then a lunchbox. So I missed out. Oh, and they also have a ball. Oh, I always find balls. Last year I missed out on my semi truck. So if you know where I can find a 2022 semi truck, let me know. But we are going to be very tight on trying to get one. Hey, oh my God, yeah, Amber showed me this. They have like little firework things on the ears. That's really neat. I don't know. It's kind of retro looking, like 50s. I kind of like it. Well,
that's it.
We gotta go home.
Come to a close.
Yeah, it has. But we're really excited. I mean, this is awesome. We are actually going to be at Magic Kingdom for Christmas, which is,
yes, and then for Christmas Eve we'll be at Universal.
Yeah, doing the tour, which
we get to meet the Grinch.
Yeah, we get to do the full tour. We get to do 5 events in that, which is gonna be kind of cool.
And then see the show at Mainstreet.
Yeah. So I'm really excited for that.
Yes.
But if you have made this far, guys, thank you so much for checking us out. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for doing everything to support our channel. We really do 100% appreciate it.
Yes. And keep in mind we might go live soon. We're very active on TikTok and Instagram.
Yeah, we are.
And check the community page of our YouTube channel too. I know Brian doesn't talk about it a lot.
No,
but we have a lot of announcements and all kinds of stuff on there, and polls and good stuff on there.
Can I be honest? I didn't even know we had a community page.
That's how I post new video.
So you start seeing, I'm like, what is that? Hey guys.
Don't forget to subscribe up here.
Yep. And then over here somewhere will be another video. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for checking us out. I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.